Hey guys, Maker here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make oatmeal. So first, you open up your instant oatmeal packets and pour it in. And next, you want to get some milk, half a cup of milk, and pour it in there. Next, you want to microwave it for 230. And at about 50 seconds, you want to take it out to stir it up. Before you stir it up, add about 3 pinches of sugar. Now that it's nice and stirred up, go ahead and put that back in the microwave for the remaining 50 seconds. What the fuck is this? What the